You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, the name of this Italian model and actress. If you want to learn more confusing famous celebrity names, stay tuned. So yes, I've seen a video saying that it's pronounced Deva Cassel. Doesn't make any sense, so let's hear her say it. This is a video, the sound from a video on Tatler, Singapore.
I'm Deva Cassel and I'm on the...
I'm Deva Cassel is how she says it. So Deva, not Diva, Deva Cassel. Deva Cassel. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.